gusto kong batiin each and everyone for the contribution that you have given Police Region Office 10 sa lahat ng accomplishments na naganap noong 2025. Palakpakan natin ang Police Region Office 10. The credit, of course, goes to all our PNCOs, all our NUPs, our commission officers, our station commanders, chiefs of police, the provincial directors, our our maneuver forces, ang ating regional staff, ang mga kasama natin dito sa regional office and the commando. Muli, palakpakan natin ang ating mga kasama. There is much to celebrate. There is much to ponder upon dahil unang-una, we have recorded a 25% drop in the crimes in 2025 compared to the previous years. And this is a national phenomenon. Meaning, hindi lang naman tayo ang bumaba. We also recorded a drop in the crime rate and crime incidents doon sa national headquarters. Our Chief PNP during the New Year's stroll also intimated to us that the President has extended his congratulations on behalf of to the Chief PNP on behalf of his leading the 200,000 strong men and women of the PNP. Pero sabi mo nga, tapos na ang celebration natin. We have patted ourselves on the back, pero it is time to buckle down to work. Marami pa tayong trabahong gagawin this year, and much is expected of us.